Hey man, what? Hey man, what? Hey man, what? Hey man, what? Dig this. Well, I went walking out yesterday. A man was carrying a sign that says the world is gonna end tomorrow. Everybody got a nickel I can borrow. This rotten world's gonna chew you up, swallow you whole, and then spit you back out. The sooner you recognize this simple fact, then this rotten world gives you what you lack. Oh, Miss Head Trip, she's getting down. You don't see her much walking around town. Well, you could say that she needs a little loving, looking for a light with her head in the oven. This rotten world's gonna chew you up, swallow you whole, and then spit you back out. The sooner you recognize this simple fact, then this rotten world gives you what you lack. Let's rock.